Bite-sized German lessons by 11%. Der Absender. In this lesson, we will talk about the one who is sending something. Der Absender. Der Absender. Der Absender. Der Absender. The German consonant S is pronounced like the English Z when it comes before a vowel. That's why we have der Absender. And we have the ER at the end, which gets pronounced like an R. Der Absender. Der Absender means sender, the one who is sending something. This is a masculine noun, and it's closely related to the verb senden and absenden, to send. The plural is die Absender. Zurück an den Absender. Return to sender. Ohne Absender. Without a sender. Anonymously. Da ist ein Brief für dich ohne Absender. There is a letter for you without a sender. Die Adresse des Absenders steht hinten auf dem Brief. The address of the sender is on the back of the letter. And why is it des Absenders here? Without giving you a headache, I'll just let you know that this is the genitive case. But it's still too soon to learn about this complicated thing, so we'll just let it be for now, okay? Der Empfänger steht auf der Vorderseite und der Absender auf der Rückseite. The receiver is on the front page and the sender on the back. And the other part of this story is der Empfänger, the receiver. But you will learn more about that one in some of the next lessons. In today's lesson, we learned the masculine noun for sender, der Absender. Let's check your knowledge with a simple exercise or Übung. Is the sentence correct or wrong? Write the answers in the comments and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Check out if you want a complete beginner A1 German course and get the correct answers in the next episode. Good luck and see you in the next video. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!